In this video, we're going to take a look at sharing colors and font styles throughout an app using themes. So as I mentioned at the beginning, you can share colors and font styles throughout your app using themes. To get started, let's put together our tutorial boilerplate real quick. You'll see here that we have the default look with the blue app bar and the blue button with the white background. So now inside Material app, we can set a property for the theme like this. We don't see a difference once we added this, so it's probably safe to assume that this is the default theme, what's used if you don't have the theme property set. But if we make it dark instead of light, you can now see a difference. So this can also be controlled by a theme mode. First, we set up the theme property to the light theme data. And then we are going to set the dark theme property to the dark theme data. Now we can set the theme mode property to the light theme mode. And we can set it to dark also. But even better, we can set it to system and control it with your mobile device. So of course those are the default options for the light theme and the dark theme, but you might also want to use different colors than those themes use. You can do this with color schemes, so we can do this. And you can of course control if the swatch is light or dark with the brightness property. And you can change specific colors with theme data as well, like this. And there are several other properties you can change with theme data as well. You can also change the text theme as well. You have options to several fonts through Google. And you can use those fonts in your app by first installing Google Fonts from your terminal like so. If it worked correctly, you should see this in your PubSpec YAML file. So now we import Google Fonts into our main.dart file. And then you can simply plug it into the text theme property to change the font. So that should give you a general idea of themes in Flutter. If you liked this video, you might also like this one right here, and I hope to see you in the next one.